everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the little truck, well I don't want to call it little because it's quite big, that I made out of Jenga blocks. And I used some wooden square cubes. You can get these at Dollarama, or sorry, not Dollarama, Dollar Tree. And the Jenga blocks are from Dollarama. Dollar Tree didn't have the Jenga blocks. They've been sold out for quite a while now. These ones are the official size. The ones at Dollar Tree are a little bit smaller. So showing you how to make it, the dimensions might be off a little bit just because they are smaller. I also got the flowers from Dollarama. Dollarama the greenery. I did buy a pack of butterflies that I got from Dollar Tree that I just put on the sunflowers. I used from Dollar Tree as well the reindeer moss. Comes in a pack in the floral area that I put underneath just so you couldn't see the floral form that I used. I do have one, I don't know if you can see it, there is a little ladybug as well. Ladybug gems, Dollar Tree. So it turned out really well. And I'm going to show you how to make one. We'll start the video and we'll get you started. Okay, everybody. So I did paint it. So all I did was use some fence stain that I had in the basement, as I keep saying that in all the videos that I use the Jenga blocks. So it came in handy. I was gonna try red. I did try it on a Jenga square, and I really didn't like the red color. It was just more of a rosy color. I did try it over the brown stain. I still didn't like it. And I thought I'd just keep it a rustic looking, only because you can use it for different seasons. You know, you could add your own color in the back, say for Valentine's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, everything else like that. So I did stain it. I did add a couple parts that you've seen in the video. So I did take 2 Jenga blocks and I did put a bumper on the back. I did add both, just some little glass, I think they're like, you can use them for flower vases and stuff as rear lights. And then on the sides here, as you can see, almost like a little footstep, you know, when they get into trucks. And I actually used those little wooden squares that you're seeing here, which was just 3 of them. I did one on each side. I did in the front another bumper, and I also put on some headlights there. Now I did put how I just took an old car from the dollar store. It was just a toy car. I actually I don't want to lie like that, a toy car, and I actually just used skewers that you cook with, and I just used a wire cutter, wood cutter, wire cutter, and I just stuck it and I glued it on each side of the tire. I let them dry, and then I just hot glued them on, and they're actually pretty sturdy. So if you can do it a different way as well. So I'm just going to show you, if you have these are like to hold your wires against the wall. I could have just glued these over and they could have been movable, but the skewers are not the best, and I don't think you really want anybody playing with it. So, and I did paint them black, the bumper, the 2 sides and that, just to add a little bit of color. I did silver, and I didn't like the silver on it when I painted it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to add some flowers. So I did get one of these blocks for the flowers, the floriforms, and I just put a line already there. I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to put it in the back. I'm actually going to add some flowers and a little bit of greenery. I think I'm going to add a few butterflies. We'll see if that happens. I'm going to do it off the camera just because sometimes I take a little bit long and just to get it perfect, and we don't want this video to even be longer. So let me get this and get the flowers in there cut. I did get these flowers from, I'm going to use sunflowers. I really like sunflowers, and I thought with the offset with the rustic look would look really pretty, and I'm a big fan of sunflowers. So let me get this going, and I will come back and show you the final results, and we'll see you soon. Okay, everybody, I actually now came back and just added my sunflowers and the greenery. I did get the sunflowers from Dollarama. The greenery is from Dollarama. It was just a stick, little bushy thing. I just cut it up and I just stuck it in places. I also added some little butterflies on the sunflowers. These were at Dollar Tree. I added some reindeer moss, that also from Dollar Tree, around the flower form so that you don't see the foam itself. I also used, there's one little ladybug, I'm not sure where it is right now, that I did add as well, just for a tad of color. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and turn that notification on so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know what you guys think, and have yourself a great day. See you later. Bye.